Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear those friends. Today's video is question number 2.62 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. The quantum number of 6 electrons are given below. Arrange them in the order of increasing energies. If any of these combinations have the same energy list. Now, we have 6 electrons and their quantum numbers are given. Now we have to arrange these electrons in their increasing order of energies. So for doing this, we need the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number, that is N and L only. We need not to take magnetic and spin quantum number here. So now looking bit easy. Now what to do next is we will find the value of electron using these N and L and then locate in the above principle according to their energy. So for that we should first know the values of L and their respective orbitals. For L is equal to 0, it means S orbital. If L denotes 1, it means we can say P orbital, 2 belongs to D orbital and 3 belongs to F orbital. Now, come up to the values. So, for the first electron, N is equal to 4, L is equal to 2. So, N is a principal quantum number. It is the shell number. So, 4 will be shell number and orbital number is L2. L is equal to 2 means D. So, we can say the electron is in 4D orbital. In the same way, electron number 2, it is 3 third number shell and the orbital number 2 means D. 3D. Totally we can say the electron is 3D. Third electron, let's see, it is fourth shell and L is equal to 1 means P. 4P orbital. Now fourth electron, it is 3 shell, third number shell and L is equal to 2 means D. Now fifth electron, N is equal to 3, third orbital and L is equal to 1 means 3P. Now sixth electron, N is equal to 4, shell number 4 and orbital number 1 means P. Now in this way we find the position of each electron. Now we will arrange these orbitals in their increasing order of energies using the above principle. Now let us remind the above principle. It says that 1s having the lowest energy, then comes the 2s, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, after that 5s, then 4d and so on. Like that they arranged. So let's see, this is the increasing order. So now, so according to this we can arrange our given electron position. Now come up to the lowest one in this. I think electron number, first we can say the third shell will having the lower energy than the fourth one. So we have 3 number shell having 2, 4, 5. In which 3p we can say is the lower than the 3d. Okay, 3p comes first. So first one is the 3p. 3p. Then comes 3d, which is equal to 3d, 2 times 3d came. Then comes next is the, so 3p done, 3d done, 3d done. Now 4p and 4d. 4p first come and then 4d. So we have 4p and 4p 2 times. 4p is equal to 4p and then comes 4d. Now, so 3p number 5 electron. having the lowest energy. Now come up to 3D. 3D we have 2. 4 and 2. So we can write second electron having the same energy as the fourth electron, which is lower than the 4p. 4p is 6 and 3. Third electron is equal to 6 electron. Their energies are same, and the highest one in the energy is the first electron having 4d orbital. Now we are able to arrange all the electrons in their increasing order as shown here. And we can see also that the second electron having the same energy as the fourth electron, and the third electron having the same energy as the sixth electron. So friends, very easy question. That's all for today in this video. If you have doubt, please do write in the comment section. I will come back to you. So till then, thank you. Bye.